Okay guys, so we have it set up in my vise here, and what we'll do next is we'll remove these 4 bolts here. It should be the same size, 3/8. Actually, this looks a little bit bigger. So not a 3/8. 7/16. 7/16 is pretty good. Let me just try 11mm. Actually feels a little tighter. I'm gonna go with an 11mm. Use your discretion. Alright, so this should just come straight off. There's a little bit of an O-ring up here. I'm just going to remove that. And I'm just going to flip this upside down. This one actually looks like it's pretty good, but it looks like the water, we could see that, but the water line rubber gasket looks like it wasn't lined up correctly, so it wasn't able to get the water. See, this piece should have been pushed down in there like that, I believe, so that it could mate up with the inside of the motor. But it looks like this thing was damaged somehow. Oh yeah, that doesn't look good at all. I have no idea how that's supposed to look, but it doesn't look right to me. And there's our impeller. So you want to make sure you put the new one in the same way. And then there's a little key on the side here. You can see that little key right here. This didn't even look like a key, it just looks like a little tiny rod. But I'll show you the new kit that I have here. Let's take the rest of it off. Should be able to pop this off of here. So that comes off. And there is some water in here. Doesn't look like it's leaking down into the shaft, so that's a good thing, or into the lower unit. So here's the new kit. It's a Sierra 18-3327. Replaces Johnson and Evinrude 394711. Fits 1970 and up, 9.9 and 15 horse, and 1995 and up, 9.9 and 15 horse, 4-stroke. Let's take a look in the box and see what we got. That looks to be the same. That looks correct. So we've got that piece, and we've got, yep, got all the rubber gaskets. It even comes with new bolts, a new looks like bushing. I don't think we have this, unless that goes on the inside. And then there's the impeller. So let's put it back together using the new, I'm just going to clean this off a little bit here. And then we'll put it back together using the new kit. Now I see some, what looks to be gasket material here, and I believe you're supposed to use some sort of gasket material there. So I think we're going to do that. We're just going to take a razor blade and see what we can clean off here. I'm going to get as much of it off as you can. You can usually get most of it off. I really just worry about the high spots.